Man, it is a good day so far. What's up, everybody? I'm Trent Granger, missionary to Mexico. Today's a good day. It's Thursday. We have tons and tons of flyers to pass out today that we're going to be inviting people to our Easter service this Sunday, and I'm stoked because I have my Easter sermon done and ready. I just got to translate it into Spanish, but man, I'm so excited about it. I found kind of a new way to, or a different way, I should say, to do my sermon prep, and I just fell in love with it. I love it. Well, plans have changed. Has that ever happened to you before? It's something you gotta just roll with. It's life. That's how it goes. Well, as many of you know, we moved to a new house, and that's where our house/church is right now. But we still had a contract with the apartment as well for a few more months, and this is the last month. So we were gonna go over there and get that finished cleaning up today, but we had so much work to do at our house now, so we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. But I am on my way to the Centro right now to get my hair cut and to pick up some coffee. So, let's go to the Centro. Well, there's something huge going on downtown here. Probably something to do with Good Friday. So hopefully my barber shop is open. And we're gonna do a little bit of exploring to see what's going on, because there's tons of stuff. Let's go check it out. Okay, I got the coffee, but I have a confession to make. Hold on just a second. I got a new hat. I have an issue. I have a problem. I know this. I'll show you at the house what I mean by it. But shh, don't tell my wife. And that doesn't include the one that I have on right now. Like, look, I know I have an issue, I know I have a problem, but I can quit anytime I want. All right, this is my friend Jorge.
Hey, hello.
We've got our flyers here, and now we're gonna go pass these out on all the doors here in our colonia, in our neighborhood. So invite folks to our Easter service. So we're excited. Pray that God blesses on our Easter service, and then the following Sunday, Jorge's going to help us, and we're going to do a Dia del Niño, which is the day of the child, and a big celebration for all the kids. So pray that the Lord blesses. Well, it's getting late, and I got to do an ending to this vlog, so see you next time.